And there it is. That's a nice truffle. The dog just brought a huge truffle. Somewhere in this area there must be at least one truffle. And she will find it. I bet my life on her. Hello friends and welcome to another episode. Today we are visiting a forest that we are familiar with, so we kinda know what to expect. So stay tuned, enjoy the show, let's go get some truffles. Okay guys, we are already in the forest, early in the morning. The weather is nice, cool and all that, but we are expecting very hot temperatures, so we better get moving, we better keep going. Let's find the truffles. Dog sniffing around. Such a beautiful forest. Let's hope we find some truffles. It's a very distant forest from where we live. We travel about 150 kilometers, which is about as near 100 miles away from where we live. So it's more than 2 hours drive just to get to this forest, but that's the truffle hunting life. Sometimes you gotta go far away, just hoping that you find some truffles. Let's see what we get today. Let's see what they find. Yes, I see it. Yes, I see it. Yes, I see it. I see it. I see it. It's a small piece of truffle. Nothing special, nothing fancy. They dig it out from here, but they broke it. Right next to the truffle we found, we spotted another one. You can see here in the ground. And as always, we will gently take it out. That's a nice truffle. You have to take them out carefully, because when you break a truffle, you lose the quality and it immediately becomes a second-grade truffle. But when it's a whole piece, the price is different, the price tag is higher, and the truffle is better quality. And the dog is bringing another one. Good job. Good job. Perfect. In the bag. Still looking for some spot, and the dogs are digging. Let's see if they found some truffles. Some are already finding. A broken piece, but still a piece. Nice small truffle. Good job. Good job. And here's another one. We started to find some truffles. Just single targets as of now. Not any big spots, but still nice finds, good to see. Bring it here. Very small, but still a truffle. Good job, baby girl. Here is your treat. Go get another one. Bring it. Where is it? Oh, I see it, I see it. Another small piece, I see it. Still, here is your treat. Good girl. Another one. Another small one, but still. I only found a truffle on my own, with my own eyes, without the dogs. Here it is. I'm gonna take it out. That's a nice big truffle. First quality truffle. Heavy. Perfect. And it smells amazing. I wonder why the dogs skipped it. They passed through here and I saw it showing right above the ground. Just a little bit. They probably didn't scent it. Still, a nice find in the back. While walking with the dogs, I spotted another nice truffle. First quality. That's a nice mushroom. Kinda looks like a little heart. Still, very beautiful and nice to see. She just brought me a nice truffle. That's a beautiful truffle. That's a nice beautiful truffle. Good girl. Let me get you a treat. And apologies for the bad quality and the bad filming. Like I said, we are new to this. Still figuring out how to make the best videos for you guys. Still learning. This will improve, I promise. We will get better. We will film better. And we probably won't be using our phones in the future, but still. She found a nice spot here. She's bringing me a second truffle from here. And there are probably other truffles around. She's digging. She's leaving the place. Oh, there is a truffle, but that's not the kind of truffle we are looking for. That's a pig truffle, as we call it. Another type of truffles, but we are not collecting them. They are edible, but they are not as delicious as the black truffles. So we leave them be. As always, I couldn't film it, but the dog just brought a huge truffle. Very nice, very big one. That's what we are looking for. Top grade quality truffles. That's over 120 or 130 grams. I don't know how many ounces is that in the US measurements, but still, that's a huge truffle. Big one. In the back. And she's bringing a nice truffle in her mouth. As always, I couldn't film it. Oh, that's a nice truffle. That's top grade truffle. Extra quality. In the back. As always, I always miss when the dogs are digging. Bring it here, baby girl. I see you. I see you. Bring it here. This one I caught. I know it's a long distance, but I saw her take it out. Bring it here, baby girl. I saw you with the truffle. Thank you. As the weather is getting warmer, the dogs are starting to smell and find a little bit more truffles. And as always, I miss all the action. I miss filming it. Because I'm walking, I'm talking, and I miss all the action. I'm guessing here is a nice spot. Bring it here. Bring it here. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. I saw you take the truffle. Thank you. Ooh, that's a nice truffle. She's bringing it. That's a good dog. That's a nice truffle. Do you have a truffle as well? Thank you. Gladly accepted. Gladly taken. In the back. Get your treat. Go find another one. We are in a different part of the forest now. We found some nice truffles, as you've already seen, but we're still looking for other big ones. Not only one or two. We want at least 10 of these bigger ones. The top grade, the extra grade quality truffles. They are measured not only by their weight, but by their grade and the quality. Depends if it's broken, if it's whole, shape, also size, and stuff like that. We walk here through the forest in the stones. Very calm forest, very nice. Last time we were here we came across a viper, very venomous, and I couldn't film it because I was afraid for the dogs. So we just left it there. Like I say, never mess up with nature, just let it be. I just wish I could show you guys the dangers while you are truffle hunting. We came across one of the two venomous snakes in our country. Common viper. I don't know the Latin name, but very venomous. And that's it. That's why we're wearing military boots in the forest, to avoid the snakes. Truffle hunting is a dangerous business. Not only for the snakes, but you can meet boars, wolves, what else? Jackals, something else. Oh, we recently had bobcats nearby. They were extinct for a couple of years, but now we've seen some bobcats around here, bigger than the dogs. So not only wolves, boars, snakes, a deer can attack you, a bobcat can attack you, pretty much everything. So that's why we're always in pairs, and we trust our faithful dogs, not to protect us, but at least to warn us if something is around. What are we digging for? Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's a nice truffle. I just love it. While am I talking the story of truffle hunting, she's finding me truffles. We're digging for something. I'm not sure for what. There's definitely something here. Yeah, that's a pig's truffle. There is a pig's truffle or a boar's truffle. That's why she didn't take it out. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside. That's a pig's truffle. The other kind of truffles. Not the kind you want. She brought it from so far away. That's a perfect quality truffle. And she didn't break it. She brought it from so far away. Of course I couldn't film it because I'm still climbing rocks. And I couldn't film it. Good dogs. I have to get better at filming. I'm so bad. Here is your treat. Go find me another one. Big one, please. I need the big ones. I need them. Please. Please.
My pleasure.
My precious. Bring me the big ones. The bigger the better. The brain. Or the truffle. In this case. My precious. Oh, I'm still climbing rocks. And that's why I'm missing all the action. But there are nice truffles around, big ones. Let me film you. Where is it? Where is it? Around the stones. Where are the black stones, rolling stones, truffle stones? Yeah. Any truffles around? No. She found it. She found it. Any others? Oh, she's finding them. Here they are. Nice truffles. Nice truffles. These are some nice truffles. The truffles are right here, under the stone. Check it out. Right here under the stone. Any others? She got at least 3 from here. 4. Good girl. Good girl. Always check for more. She found so many from this spot. You never know where you will find the truffles. They were right under here, in the stone. Always check for some others. Always. Here is a nice truffle. Yes, in the back. Let me get a better spot, because I'm always filming in the sun. And it pops out. Nice truffle in the back. As always, when you finish checking around, never dig the soil. Just cover the ground with the leaves and everything that you've moved, and leave it be. And that's it. And you go on your way where the other dogs left. Just always remember to cover what you have uncovered. Just like that. Never dig the soil. Uncover and then cover. And that's it. And move to the next place. Hopefully with bigger truffles. Okay guys, we had to change locations because we were finding only small truffles. And now we're in a different forest, searching for some bigger ones. Let's see if the dogs can find something. It's already noon, so I'm guessing the truffles are smelling a little bit more. And there it is, rolling down the hill. Perfect. Thank you, baby girl. Let me give you a treat. Go get another one. Good girl. Still going. Still sniffing. We found a couple of truffles. Nothing fancy, nothing. Only one big truffle, but as always, I wasn't filming. My filming skills are greatly known. I'm famous for them. I'm missing on all the action. I will learn. I will get better. Where is it? There must be some truffles here. I bet my life on it. Find them. I'm sure there are truffles here. At least one. Somewhere in this area there must be at least one truffle. And she will find it. I bet my life on her. Don't look at me. Look for the truffle. My life is at stake here. Coco. There is something down there. She found it. Bring it here, baby girl. Lara. And she's eating it. Yep. She found it and she ate it. Lara. She's digging. She's digging. Bring it here. Bring it here. Lara. Bring it here. I'm guessing the one that she ate was a rotten one. Already gone. Thank you very much. My life is saved. Thank you very much. I was sure there is truffle around here. At least one. Come get your treat. Here is your treat. But again, even in this new forest, only small ones. And we've taken 2 dogs at the top of the forest and 2 dogs at the bottom of the forest. And still, only small truffles for the whole day. And it's already past noon, so we're probably gonna head home and call it a day. Oh, she's digging again. Bring it here. Bring it here. Where is it? She found it. She found it. Bring it here. Yes, that's a nice truffle. Lara, come here, baby girl. That's a nice truffle. I see a bigger truffle. Let me check. Yes, that's a bigger truffle. Perfect, top quality. And she didn't break it. Perfect, in the back. Let's get her a treat. You're a good girl. Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. And here is Coco. Coco. Go. Go find the truffle. Go, 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 go. Go. Go, Coco, go. Back on the action. I'm betting there must be another truffle down there. At least I'm hoping there is another one. That was a nice one. Top grade truffle, first quality. But we are looking for the big ones, the really big ones. The ones for the thumbnails. Coco started sniffing as well. Coco is the youngest and newest member of our group. She's still in training. She's a young Padawan. But her training is going well. Coco. Good girl. Lara is digging again at the bottom. Is there a truffle in your mouth? No. Okay. Let's keep moving. Let's go find another spot. Yes, we're moving.